So let me talk to you. I put together a simple recruiting website. Should talk about the benefits of working on your team. Speak to what is possible if the recruit joins your team. Talk about who the ideal candidate would be for each position. In a perfect world, it would give them valuable free information. And I already showed you the viral recruiting blog. It would give the recruit specific instructions on how to proceed with the process. So my recruiting page is www.greatercharlotterealestateinfo.com join-our-team.php. So if you want to model yours after ours, you can pull it up here. So this is, and I don't want to confuse everybody and have you go out and run and get this website because this can sit on any website anywhere. You can go out and get a Weebly. Weebly is a free Weebly.com. You can get a free website on Weebly, so you don't need to go buy anything here. This is an REW website. I have a $199 a month version of it. I don't use this website for anything. So total tangent here is that make sure you have a web strategy that doesn't involve a bunch of different websites and go out and buy a bunch of different stuff that you're not going to use. I don't use my REW website. I can make an argument to use this site and only this site to run my entire business. But the way that I built my business is such that I wouldn't go back and build this site go backwards and build this site into my business. Anyway, so that's just a side note there. But you can see join the #1 real estate team in Charlotte, and you can figure out a sexy headline there. Agent-centric culture, commitment to training, coaching, education, and model that rewards associates as true partners. Do you need more reasons? Blah, blah, blah. So it's kind of self-explanatory, but there are links here to Tony Robbins Disc. So this is TonyRobbins.com, or if you Google Tony Robbins Disc profile, this site will come up so you can link to this. And we just ask them to please be sure to email your test results, both the disc and values, to recruiting at Lars Real Estate. Then fill in your details here. This is our online application. Please fill out completely. So this is a Google Doc that you have access to. But here's what it looks like. Basically, join our team and get your blueprint for success in the new real estate industry. I would copy this, change out the things that, the Charlotte area there you're going to want to change. But for the most part, copy this. And it's just our online application. So it runs them through this, and we're able to call back people for short interviews based on their answers to these questions. And if you have different questions, just modify the Google Docs accordingly. So that's the entire recruiting page, I think. Let me make sure I covered it all. And then email your resume. And the only change, I just haven't gone in and made it. I would say email your cover letter and resume to recruiting@larsrealestate.com. So you can house this on a Boomtown site. You can house this on a Weebly.com individual site. It just needs to be simple, but you have to have a process. Just send people to this page so everyone goes through the same process.